Hi class, this is Instructor Fran and I want to talk to you about our reflective journal writing assignments that we are going to complete each week in English 100. For these assignments, you are going to pick a topic each week and write 1 to 1.5 pages of response. You are then going to either select one sentence of your response or create a one-sentence summary of your response and submit that. If it's submitted on time, you will earn full credit for its completion. Now you might be asking yourself, why is my teacher having me work on a writing assignment that she's not even going to evaluate? Well, the best answer I can give you is that it is great practice. Just like a marathon runner trains for a marathon, or a Navy SEAL would train for a mission before completing it, we as writers need to train our writing skills and train using writing as a means of thinking. Writing is a challenging task, and so practice helps greatly. Studies have also shown that low-stakes writing assignments, such as journal entries, are a great way to boost writers' confidence and decrease their anxiety. So, all in all, it's a great practice. So get writing this week, whether it's about a class-related concept, whether you're facing a challenge at work, or there's a personal matter that you want to explore. You are free to select the topic of your choice and just write. I look forward to seeing you complete the assignments each week.